Hello, these are the IndigoBlu metallic paints. So these are the same surface same base that you have with the other paints. So they are a true multi-surface paint, highly concentrated, no filler. So these 20 ml pots pack a real punch, so you can add water to them. And again, they are true multi-surface paints. They will go onto different things like fabric, silk, you've got plaster, you've got wood here, you've also got metal. They're just stunning, absolutely stunning. So if you want something to really shine through, this side has got a layer of resin on top, so you can understand that really adds the shine to it. But look at the colours you get here, absolutely gorgeous. I love these metallics, they work so well.